Calculus Mystery, and this is the AP Calculus AD 2025 exam, the one taken in May 2025. This is free response question number 2, and here are the solutions. We have two curves here. We have an f of x and we have a g of x. You can see the g of x is on the top, the f of x is on the bottom there. You want to put these in your calculator, and let's get to it. We want to find the area which is the integral between these two curves. And so to find the area, we want to go from 0 to 3 on the x value, 0 to 3, and who's on the top of it is g of x, who's on the bottom is f of x dx, and we want to do that, and we get our area is 5.13662, and that is the area between our two curves. A was pretty easy. B, you can see we are doing cross sections perpendicular to the x-axis. So again, we have perpendicular. What is this? This is g minus f, this line right here. And you can see it's a rectangle with a height of x. So whatever x is going to give us the height. And we want to find the volume of this. So biggest thing is setting this up. Since it's going perpendicular to the x-axis, we're going from 0 to 3. And that is with respect to x, again, with respect to x. And you can see what is my length right here is g of x, sorry, not f of x, but g of x minus f of x. That is this length right here. And what is the height is x. And so we want to put this in our calculator. We want to put the volume of the integral of g of x minus f of x in parentheses times x d of x. And that ends up giving me a volume of 7.70493. And that is the volume with rectangles as cross sections perpendicular to the x-axis. Now it says write, but don't evaluate, just write this, a volume that's generated around y equals -2. So we want to make a circle around this. So think about what this volume is. What the volume is, again, we're going from 0 to 3. And what is the outside value is we have g of x. So g of x goes just to here. So we have to add 2 here, squared. We need the pi in the front because it's pi r squared. That's the radius. The radius is g of x plus 2. That's pi r squared. What are we going to minus is we're going to minus the inside circle, which is our f of x plus 2 squared dx. And you can see we don't have to evaluate, we just have to write it. So it's pi, the integral from 0 to 3 of the outside circle, g of x plus 2 in parentheses squared, minus the inside guy, which is f of x plus 2 squared dx. And the last thing says is it can be shown that g prime of x, so they gave us what g prime of x is, even though we have a calculator. It says find the value of x between 0 and 1, at which the line tangent of f is parallel to tangent of g. So if we take the derivative of f of x, we end up getting 2x minus 2. That's the derivative. So what do we want to do in our calculator? We want to solve for 2x minus 2, and we're going to set that equal to g prime of x, and we're going to solve for x. And I also did this, I gave it restrictions from 0 to 1, and that ended up giving me the x value of 0.67582, and that is in between 0 and 1, and that's when both of the tangents to the curves are equal to each other. Hope this helped. This was problem number 2, AP Calculus 2025. Check you on the other videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.